Good morning, sweet friends. Welcome back to another video. My name is Tawanda. And this is Tawanda's Blessed Life. And today I have a budget-friendly bird bath DIY for y'all today. These will be items that I already had. We're going to go ahead and jump into today's video. I hope y'all enjoy. For this DIY, I'm going to be using my moss green spray paint. And then I have the wash basin from the wash basin and pitcher set that I purchased a while back from the thrift store. I think I've had it for about 2 or 3 years now. The basin is cracked and I was actually going to get rid of it. And then I also have these 2 pillars that came from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago on clearance. I think they were like $2 a piece, I believe is what I paid for them. So I'm going to start off by giving everything a coat and a half of the green moss spray paint, only because I only had about a little bit less than a half of paint left in the can. And so I went ahead and gave everything a coat, and then I let it sit out and dry. And then it started to rain, and so I brought everything inside of my home. And then the next day I went ahead and started to put everything together. But so I was going to get rid of the wash basin because it was cracked. And then I decided that because we're creating our backyard oasis, and I wanted to put a bird bath back there. But I've been looking at the prices of bird baths and I was like, they're really expensive. So I just decided I was going to go ahead and create my own. And so this is what everything looks like the next day after it's completely dry. And I am going to take some of the liquid nail and I'm going to go ahead and attach the 2 pillars together. I'm going to place them one on top of the other. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some of the liquid nail to the basin, and I'm going to apply that to the top of it. And then once it's completely dry, I'm going to go back over it with some of the Wiggly White wax and some of the clear polyacrylic to protect the paint job. Now, I did not paint the inside of the basin only because I didn't want to add anything to it, just because we're going to be having birds out there. Oh, I did go outside and grab some rocks and I stuck them inside of a bag. I'm going to stick them inside of the pillar to give it some weight. And so here I'm just adding, you can see the little crack there. So here I'm going to go ahead and add my basin to the top of my pillar. And that is going to be it for this DIY. I really love the way this turned out. It's extremely budget friendly because I didn't have to spend any money on it because these are things that I already had. So you'll have to let me know what you think about this DIY. I absolutely love the way that it turned out, and I cannot wait to start decorating our backyard. So you'll have to let me know what you think about this DIY. And if you have any of these items, would you create the same DIY? If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you already subscribed, thank you for continuing to support my channel. I really do appreciate it. I would also like to thank all of my new subscribers for joining my YouTube family. My name is Tawanda, and this is Tawanda's Blessed Life. And on my channel, I do decorating on a budget, DIYs, and hauls with a sprinkle of migraine enlightenment. And if that is something that you're interested in, please consider joining my YouTube family. I would greatly appreciate it. That is going to be it for today's video. I would like to thank you all for spending part of your day with me. And if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And like I always say, be nicer, be kinder. God will love you for it. And I hope you have a blessed day. And I will see you all on Sunday. Goodbye.